Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add animation transition to your Canva video clips. So by default, when you add a video clip, multiple video clips, and when you play the video, and it will jump from one scene to another like a normal cut. There is no animation at all. It's just sudden. And if you want to make your video to be more engaging, then I think it is a great idea to add some transition animations. So here's how you can do that. First, you have to open your Canva video project. And after that, I do recommend to enable the video timeline. If you don't see that, you can click on the thumbnail view and then you can click duration so we can see this timeline, which is very useful for editing a video. And as you can see, if I play this video, there will be no animation. There will be no transition animation. It's just jumping quickly like that. There is no transition at all, and it's not very pretty in my opinion. So you want to add some animation between when it's jumping from one clip to another, and here's how you can do that. First, you have to hover the cursor above the edges of the two clips, and you will see this button that says add transition. Click on it and then you will see several animation you can apply to that section. So for example, I'm going to apply chop, and there is a duration, there is also direction, there is some other settings that you could change. It really depends on the animation. Not all animation will have this kind of setting, but basically you can preview the setting after you apply it. And after that, you can play and you should be able to see that animation. Yeah, sorry about that. There is a connection issue on my end, but as you can see, the animation is playing. And by the way, if you want to apply that to all the clips in your video, you can click this button, click apply between all pages. And as you can see, this is there is no animation right here, but if I click here, they will add this animation between the other side. So that's how you can add transitions to your video clips in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.